Hello and welcome back to my channel. December is around the corner, so we can officially talk about Christmas. In today's video, I decorated our guest room for Christmas, and during that process I did some super easy DIYs. And all that started from this shirt which my husband wanted to throw away because he doesn't wear it anymore. So I thought it is perfect for Christmas, and I can't wait to start my DIYs with this piece of gem. If you are new here, it's so nice to have you here. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button before your way out so that you don't miss any of my uploads. And hit the like and share button if you really like this video. And let me know in the comment section what you like about this video and which DIYs you are gonna try for this year. Okay, so let's start. I got this wreath from Dollar Tree and I just cut out few strips from that red shirt. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap the strips around the wreath and secure them with hot glue. The leaves and the pine cones are directly from our garden. They are all fresh and they will last longer than usual leaves. Natural leaves are definitely messy, but they smell nice and you get the feeling of Christmas all day long. They really smell nice. Once I'm done attaching them, I will make some red berries for the wreath. We all have some kind of bead garland at home. I happen to have this red one at home and I thought I should use it for this project. I'm hot gluing them with some dry branches and attaching them with the wreath. Excuse my voice again, I'm really not well and my voice is down for a long time. I don't know how long it's gonna be like this. Anyway, for some extra, Christmassy thing, I have attached some Christmas ornaments too. I think the final look is really great. What do you think? Let me know in the comment below. So this simple wall clock was hanging in our guest bedroom. I bought it from Walmart and it was less than $3 if I remember correctly. I also bought these flowers from Walmart. They have 6 in one bunch and each bunch was around 98 cents, I guess. I bought 2 because I need total 2 flowers for this project. So I'm gonna separate them from the stem first. The gap between each flower should be equal. To be sure, I just place them where the digits are. It's insanely easy DIY and I think we should try once in a while during the festive season. It is just hot glue, so we can always remove the flowers and if you want to try something else in future. I think my wall clock is not boring anymore and it is ready to welcome our guests in Christmas. For third DIY, I just placed the shirt on a flat surface and used a cushion to cut out the outline. Normally for quick result, you can also use hot glue to secure the edges, but I was not sure how long that gonna last, so I just stitched instead. Once I'm done, I'm gonna put the cushion in and look for any imperfection. If there is any, I will just fix it now. I decided to draw a moose silhouette with some fabric color, and after a few coats, it came out really nice. If I had more time, I would probably do some embroidery or maybe fill up the moose with some white pearl. You can do that too. For the fourth DIY, I just grabbed whatever was handy for me. So I found this hard paper and I decided to make a Christmas tree. I got this white feather from Dollar Tree and I'm just wrapping it around till I reach the peak of the cone. After I'm done, I'm gonna attach a red Christmas ball on top of it, and it turned out really pretty. So for the fifth DIY, I took a square mirror which I bought from Dollar Tree, and I already had a crystal candle holder. I wanted to throw it several times because the candle holder is chipped and it's visible. Anyway, I'm gonna reuse it. I'm gluing it with the mirror first. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cover the edge with these self-adhesive rhinestones which I bought from Walmart. After finishing it, I cannot even see the chipped area. It's nicely hidden and I'm quite happy with the end result. Now it's time to decorate the guest room. If you have watched my previous video about cleaning our bedroom, you already know that I prefer to make bed first. The floor is totally mess. Luckily you can't see the floor. I think the pillowcases are perfect for the Christmas because they have few pine cones printed on them, and they go pretty well with the red cushion cover I just made. I am still trying to figure out how to decorate the corner. I have to secure this table with the wall because my little one is extremely curious and the table may trip over him. So now I'm using a 3M hook on the wall and hanging the wreath I made a while ago. It looks perfect on the mirror. Speaking of which, I also made this mirror. If you missed watching that video, I will give you the link below in the description box and also in this video up here. I think a light grey duvet cover will complement the rest of the color theme of the room. I'm gonna spread a white wool throw on top of it. It has a texture like sweater. I think for winter decor, this is it. I also placed a red throw on the bed so that it looks complete. To refresh the ambience, I pour a few drops of essential oils on the pillow. One is eucalyptus, another one is lavender, by the way. For bedside table, I just put 2 red and white roses with some silver twisted sticks. I decorated the dressing table with the candle holder I just made, and I put some ornaments and pine cones in a glass container and few red dry branches in the silver vase. I also made this mirror, and again I will give you the link in the description box below if you missed that video before. Thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you really like it. Don't forget to hit that like and share button and also comment below. And if this is your first time watching any of my videos, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you next week with some new DIYs. Till then, stay well. Bye.